For so long, you guys have been teasing me like, Wyatt, go single turbo. Now I went single turbo. Now it's, Wyatt, you're a pussy. Wyatt, you're a bitch because I drive an automatic. Like, everyone likes the car, then they see it's an automatic and they're like, no, I hate it. So I understand that I'm not a man, but today that changes. All right, we have made it to my manhood. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. I think you said the motor's been swapped, right?
Like, that's what the pivot is on the side.
Okay. Do you know how many miles are on this one? Nah. But it drives fine?
It drives fine.
All right, I guess you just want to go on a test drive, and that's really the only thing to do.
Who's gonna drive? You gonna drive?
You might want to drive it first, yeah. So what's all done to it, like aftermarket-wise? I seen you just blow off valve on it.
As far as probably been the blow up.
You got suspension on it?
I'm pretty sure it's on springs.
Okay. You know the last time clutch been swapped out?
Nah.
Might be later today from us. Blow off valve sounds good. It sounds like an HKS one. Yeah, I mean, it seems pretty solid. Ever have any fat bitches in the back?
Nah, I try not to. Say nah. Don't get bitches, bro. I'm
gonna get him in trouble.
Bro. I have a whole girl.
Oh, all right. So only a couple.
You might want to detail it though, because the car's gonna stink like weed a little.
Yeah, that's all right. A couple McDonald's fries, ain't nothing big. So what's the move like for real? I mean, it's really cheap. What he's asking for.
We don't know the miles, which is terrifying.
Motor's
like all y'all watching right now probably like back out, but it runs really well.
And it's really cheap.
And it smells like weed.
It smells like weed.
That's kind of a selling point.
Selling my soul to another one. All right, here you go. Fresh from the bank. I didn't even have opened the envelope. I did flex on a couple shorties on Snapchat. I ain't gonna lie. For that. All right, man. I appreciate you. You'll see your car on YouTube.
Nice meeting you.
This man looks so fake, bro. It don't even look real.
Oh,
Fuck.
shit,
Now
boys.
it's our responsibility.
Now we're fucked. Bro.
The door does not open at all.
Come on. You know what this is, right? It's a 2009 335. You just have to go in this way. Guys, more problems. Their 335 is dead. So now he's getting jumper cables, so we're gonna help him out. This sums up the life of a 335 owner right here.
Isn't fake.
So the mic cut off, but pretty much we had to help him jumpstart his car because their 335 didn't start. If that doesn't sum up BMW ownership, I don't know what does. But we now own another piece of shit. What do you know? But this one's a manual, so you guys gotta stick with me through this one. And look, we have no handle. I don't know how the f to get in the car.
Idiot.
Like, why did I buy this? GTR. Yeah. I just did the cringiest thing ever. I said, yeah! And I'm getting into this. Shopwebbies.com.
Bro, you got your head butt first.
I mean, we got working cup holders. I'm not gonna lie. Never seen that before. And I can tell you right now, I'm not gonna see it today.
Damn.
This is gonna be step one. How? I gotta be able to get in my own car that I just bought. Hey. Damn, dude, I really bought this car. Frank, what is happening?
Dude, I don't know.
I fucked up so bad. Yo, it smells like straight weed in there.
Hold on, let's see if we can acquire some greens from the kid. God, that's where it was.
We got some grounds up of it. Oh no, we can make some money back. I've never ever driven a manual before, and we have to get this home today somehow. We got an hour drive. We got 215,000 miles on the dash. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Dude, we're so fucked. Oh no. Oh my God, we took off. We are off. We are off to the races.
Oh my God, that was the roughest takeoff ever.
Yo. What is up with the quality of the 335s around here? Look at this one. Oh, we just stalled. Dude, it's gonna be this all day. Don't mind me. Just, you know, driving.
Oh, that's your Jersey Mike's, dude.
Damn!
Staring. Let it out while you put it in.
Damn! Dude, what do we do? What do we do? Can you let Jeremy get it out of here?
Come on, man, you got it.
Damn, bro.
Alright, you gotta let Jeremy drive.
Dude, we're causing a ruckus. We got people holding up traffic. He's just climbing through the windows. This is not a good day for humans.
Bro stalled 4 times.
Oh, yeah, so you drive it.
I don't need to. You stalled 4 times.
Yeah! Our first voyage.
Dude, that's the scenario every first-time manual driver dreads.
Will Smith and Martin Lawrence, I'm a bad boy. When I got off my ass and got to the cash and got my bad boy.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
Come here.
What is that? Did you buy a car? Did you really buy this?
Yeah,
Why?
because
Where are you gonna put it?
Right there.
Frankie, is he for real?
Unfortunately, yeah.
You don't like it?
No.
Trash. Somebody wrote trash on it.
Why do you need a car?
It's a manual one.
Dude, you're being an asshole.
No,
you gotta get a garage or something. You
Look,
can't
it
have
doesn't
3
even-
cars.
It doesn't even have a thing.
You don't need that. You just climb in the window.
It's a piece of shit.
It is.
It is a piece
That's
of
the whole
shit.
point.
Get it out of here.
Well,
Why you piss me off? You know I don't want this.
I know you don't. I
So
don't think anyone does.
that's some bullshit right there, dude.
Well, my dad seems pretty happy about this purchase.
It went smoother than I thought.
I'll get a garage for it.
Well, you're gonna pay for a garage for a piece of shit car.
Yeah.
Like, you're an idiot.
He was happy about it for a split second.
I don't know why he's so mad. You got a bed already? It's pretty much a house. He can go ahead and kick you out now. You're set.
Well, I think mission 1 is figure out how to make the driver door open. I want to know how this man even broke a door handle off. Voila, what do you know? All right, well, one thing, under one circumstance, if I am going to drive this vehicle again, I have to let people know that I'm stalling. All right, it's on. We got a couple things from our sponsor, shopwebbies.com. Got some cow filters, because there's not much of anything in here. And an air freshener. She was in there, brother. Bow.
W and black ice.
All right, here we go. Brother.
Lift off.
Switch off.
Oh my god. If you hit a rut, put that clutch all the way in. Thought that was smooth as f.
All right, now first.
Bro, what? There it
Hey,
is.
don't talk about it. No. Well, I will say it's definitely different, like being back home now and driving, and then being in the middle.
You
of
seem a
nowhere.
lot more comfortable. Even the first takeoff was a lot smoother.
Leave those comments at home now, boy. I got no faith in the kid.
Nothing wrong with a little chuckle.
Who wants to run it?
That boy going on 235.
All right, everyone put them seatbelts on.
You got it, you got it. Stay on the gas, stay on the gas.
We made it. We made it. Wow.
E-brake off. Is it in neutral? Is the
Yes.
e-brake up? Is it in neutral? Is it up?
We made it. We were able to make it to food. All right, here we go. I can't tell if I can smell clutch or weed.
Weed is clutch.
Put it back in first like this.
Was that first or second?
Oh my god, that was first. That
was good.
Butter. That was butter.
That's why I said, is that first?
I'm gonna try my best to make this look a little bit better. Get this shit out of here. Ooh. That boy is clean now. So we got no battery in our key, so there's no way in getting in the trunk. I've never even seen inside the trunk. Can't get in there. So I'm gonna try my best to climb through the back seat to get it. Oh my god, I know what was going on back here. Hey, no way. I found the handle. We definitely got some smells from this section. I know you guys are gonna all comment why it's an op. I don't really care, I just think it's funny. Here we go.
Oh my god. Yo, yo, yo.
Oh my god, dude, I'm getting kicked out. Random misfire detected, and I can't get the wiper blades to go off. Who says random cylinder
Dude, that's what you
misfire?
get when you buy a $20 code reader.
This thing sucks. Oh, I can't erase codes because the car's on. Should I cut it off to erase codes? Hey, chill out, would you?
Yeah, bro didn't get the memo.
Erased.
The
Let it rock.
lights are flickering. So it worked.
No! Come on, man. Don't do this to me. Yeah, alright, we're gonna have to jump it. Get him! And Eagle start now. Oh, she's dead now. Alright, we're gonna need to jump it. No, alright, I like the jumper cable way instead of. Shout out Pop Struck, we made it happen. Alright,
We're just pops it.
to Stephens we go. Oh yeah, your boy's a man right now. We're getting the hang of it though. We're getting somewhere. Dang, that boy Stephen got all the beamers outside. Dude, the e-brake doesn't work.
Nuh-uh.
Look.
Oh.
Alright, we're at Stephens.
What's up with it?
A lot. I found weed in the back.
Oh yeah? That's money off.
What the?
Dude, it's bad. This?
I've had this happen before.
Whoa. What the
That boy got fingers on him.
Yo, okay, I got it. Go to Green Motorworks right there. I'll get you right.
Dude, door handle sales after this video.
Damn. The fuel rail on 4 is like a maze. That's that 3-pointer fuel
This one is
injector.
for-
Long range. If this guy doesn't know what this is, then that's not real.
What the fuck?
All right, well, Stefan's got some interesting cars at his house at the moment. Got a
They're
G80,
not mine. Customer cars.
GMW. Hit him up if you need BMW work. Dude, the rear end goes crazy. Yeah, damn. Here's the one you guys have seen before, the 135. Damn, dude, that is sick. Quick jack. I can go for a quick jack.
All about that quick jack.
Man, if we bring up golf 1 second, now we're going. We're going golfing. We got the clubs ready?
Oh yeah.
Dude.
Come on, baby.
I think he had Stefan's number before. Best part about Stefan's shop, if you're having a stressful day, just go hit a par 3 real quick. Stefan, hold on. Dude, look at this.
I'm at an advantage because I got the motherfucking props on. If he wins, he gets 200 off the install.
Whoa. You heard that? That means we get a speed tech for real cheap for you.
Here we go.
Bring that car back to life.
Just a couple wee lads out playing with the sticks, eh?
Oh, that was fucking solid.
Ah, I didn't get up there. Fuck.
What the fuck you said you weren't good.
These kids are full of shit. We're taking tension off his shoulders right now, giving it a break. Get a good backswing on it. We're confident he's taking this one home. Solid. I don't know why, I thought Mason would be a lot worse at golf. I thought his pecs would just smack his chin. That's what I told him to do.
Game, boys.
Fuck yeah. Every time. Not sometimes. Every time.
Oh my fucking God. I choked. Good.
Wow. All right then, boys.
All right, boys.
Travis.
All right, man. I'll see y'all.
Dog. Yo.
Man, that's my bad. Hold on.